Hey everyone, this assignment brings together two things you've already worked on: your food memory or dish post and your rhetorical analysis of a course text. Now you reflect on how they connect, synthesizing your personal story with the author's message. Writing often asks us to bring multiple perspectives into conversation. By connecting your dish and caption with a course text, you'll practice synthesis, tying your voice to an author's rhetorical strategies and values. This is a key step toward your full rhetorical analysis essay. Here are the directions step by step. Part 1, you'll reflect on the course text. Stick with the text you used in your text exploration worksheet. Ask yourself, what central message about food, place, or sustainability does the author convey? How does the author use ethos, pathos, logos, or tone to deliver the message? Part 2, connect your dish post. Think back to the dish or food story you shared earlier. Reflect on these questions. How does your dish or story relate to the author's message? What values or cultural, environmental themes overlap? How did you use rhetorical techniques in your caption, maybe emotion, storytelling, or tone, to communicate meaning? And finally, your submission guidelines. Make sure that you submit via Canvas either text entry or an uploaded Word or PDF document. Make sure your name and course section are at the top and attach or link to the visual of your dish in part 2. Here are a few tips for success. Stick with one text. Using the same reading builds depth. Make a clear connection. Identify at least one shared theme: community, heritage, sustainability, or something else. Use rhetorical terms thoughtfully. Don't just say pathos, explain how it works. Quote or paraphrase. So bring in 1 to 2 short quotes from the text to ground your reflection. And finally, think forward. Let this assignment help shape your thesis for the larger rhetorical analysis essay. Example of how a short section might sound. The student shows how Kimmerer, I say that all the time, Kimmerer uses pathos in the honorable harvest by focusing on gratitude and mutual care in food relationships. They connect this to their own memory of making cornbread with their grandmother who prayed before meals. Both examples frame eating as an act of respect and community, not just consumption. In their own caption, the student mirrored this with nostalgia and sensory details. And here is your checklist for the assignment. Before you submit, make sure you can answer yes to all of these. Did I clearly explain the author's main message? Did I identify rhetorical strategies and explain how they work? Did I connect the author's ideas to my own dish or food story? Did I show at least one shared value, theme, or message between the two? And last, did I use at least one short quote or paraphrase from the text to ground my reflection? This assignment is about making connections between text and tradition, between rhetorical strategies and your own writing. Use the checklist to keep yourself on track and let your reflection prepare you for the bigger essay ahead. I'm excited to see how your connections and our course texts speak to each other.